Before starting the process of pairing a handheld remote to a dream motor, select the channel to which it is to be paired. Channel RL is reserved for simultaneously controlling all blinds paired to a remote, and cannot be used for pairing, programming, and other adjustments. This instructions apply to Rollerhouses RF motors, and we are demonstrating here a 15-channel remote control. How do I do a factory reset on this blind motor? For this step, reset to factory setting to avoid some motors already having a set themselves, which will affect to reset the limit when you first install them, or RF bridge to send RF signals when connect with a third hub. Press C button on the back of remote for 3 times, motor jogs twice, the limit is delete. When you press any buttons, it's do nothing. Pair the remote and motor. Please select the channel you would like to program your blind. Press the setting button on the motor head and release when the blind jogs once. Then press the confirm button on the back of the remote and release when the blind jogs once. Press any button on the remote, the blind goes up or down, this is mean the remote is paired successful with motor. Set the upper and lower position. Keep pressing the limit button until the blind jogs. Press the up button. Then press the stop button when the blind close to your desired upper position. Press C button on the back of the remote, motor jogs, the upper limit is done. Set the lower position. Press the down button. Then press the stop button when the blind close to your desired lower position. Press C button on the back of the remote, motor jogs, the lower limit is done. Check the blind direction. Press the up button. If the blind goes down, you will need to change the blind direction. Step: press the limit button and stop button, hold the 2 buttons together and release until the blind jogs once, the rolling direction now has been changed. Press up. The blind goes up. Press down, the blind goes down.